Hello, this is Gihan Pereira. Let me ask you a question. How do your customers feel about the way that you are using AI in your organization? As a leader, you might be thinking about putting together a policy or framework or guidelines for how to use AI. And you're probably thinking about how you're going to use it internally within your team and your organization. But what about the external viewpoint? Because some customers and clients really care about how their suppliers and the people that they support are using AI. Let me give you a couple of examples. If you're customers of Woolworths or Coles, you might have Woolies rewards cards or a Coles Flybuys card. And because of that, you can earn points and rewards and you get customized offers. And you probably know that behind the scenes, they've got some reasonably sophisticated AI that is working on your data to try and, well, let's face it, to try and persuade you to buy more and also give you more targeted offers so that you get relevant marketing rather than being flooded with irrelevant offers. So how do you feel about that? Now, some customers are rightly cautious and concerned. How are they collecting my data? What are they doing to store it? What are their security procedures to make sure they're not going to get hacked? How are they using and manipulating that data to try and manipulate me? On the other hand, you might be very positive about it. You might be happy that they've got these sophisticated algorithms that make sure that you get relevant offers, you get targeted advertising so that you're not flooded with a whole bunch of irrelevant marketing. That's in the retail sector. Let me give you another example. For schools, in the education sector, I've worked with a number of schools and school leaders about what they need to think about at a leadership and governance perspective when they're using AI. And of course, many school leaders know that the parents of the children who are at their school really care about their school's AI policy. How are they using it effectively? Are they keeping my children safe from some of the dangers of AI? And also, on the other side, there are a few schools that I've worked with who are looking at it really positively. They want to use AI as a way to position their school as this is where you should be sending your children if you want them to be ready for an AI-enabled future. So they're seeing the positive side of AI as well. So those are just two examples from two very different sectors, but it might be true for your organization and your industry as well. How are your customers, clients, patients, parents, and other stakeholders thinking about the way that you're using AI? And you should include that in your policy and guidelines. If you'd like to know more about this, I'm running a free public online presentation soon about your policy, your AI policy, and your guidelines. Or maybe you might call it a framework. It's open to everybody and it's for leaders at all levels. And it's not only for IT and tech leaders either, it's for all leaders and managers. So you'll find the registration link here. It's free, it's open to everybody. So feel free to register and to share it with other people in your team and network as well. I'm sure you'll get value from it if you're thinking about putting together your framework for how you're going to use AI in your organization. I'll see you in the future.